I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil to line. And by the way, I don't know if it's just me or anyone else. Anytime I change an environment or a climate, my skin breaks out, like extremely. You can say I have these acne-like things. Look at this. I don't know if it's just me or anyone else experiences that. So I'm just filling in slightly. I want to do an ombre eyebrow, so I'm filling in with the Davis number 1 eye pencil on the outer side of the eyebrow. Yeah, like that. Straight away to concealing. I'll be using Pro Concealer the shade Fawn. Of course, a damn beauty blender. Ooh, my God, it no fair. That's my story, my testimony. Ooh, ooh, my God, it no fair. Ooh, lakini kwa neno lako nashusha nyavu.